Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Pi network mainnet checklist verification. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video, I will show you step by step how to complete and configure the Pi network mainnet checklist verification. So guys, for this purpose, I'm using the Nox player on my Windows PC. Nox player is an emulator that you can install the different kind of application and Android application on this emulator. So now it is opening. Wait for it until it should be completed. So here it is guys, the Nox player. Simply I will install the Pi network application on this. So simply I will type Pi. Here is the Pi, so simply click on this. Now click on the download option. Now it will navigate you to the Play Store where you can download and install the Pi network. So guys, as you can see that Pi network is successfully installed here. So simply I will click on the open option, and here it is, the Pi network is completely running here. So simply I will show you step by step how you can complete the Pi mainnet checklist verification here. So simply guys, here is my first wallet. So simply I will show you how you can create a new wallet for yourself in this platform. Here is the sign out. So simply I will click on the sign out option. Here is please verify your identity to get started. So simply I will click on the continue with phone number. Here you have to type your country code, and here is your phone number. So simply I will type my phone number and click on the submit. So guys, here is my next wallet, as you can see. So simply I will show you step by step how you can complete the mainnet checklist verification on the Pi application. So simply I will open it. Here navigate to the mainnet. Once you are there, so simply you can see mainnet checklist. Click on this. So here are the steps that you can verify your mainnet checklist. So simply I will click on the start option. Here click on sign in to Pi browser. Click on this. So it will require you to install the Pi browser. So simply I will click on install to install the Pi browser. So guys, once the Pi browser successfully installed, click on the back option. Again here click on this option. Now select the Pi application. Now again click on the back option. Now you can see that download Pi browser is successfully completed. So again click on the create a Pi wallet. Click on the start option. Click on sign in to Pi browser. So now click on wallet Pi. Now here you can see generate new wallet. So simply I will click on this option. So here is your wallet phrase that you can copy this, and I will paste it in Notepad. So simply I will open the Notepad. Now here you can see I saved my passphrase. So simply I will click this. Here you have to enter your 24 word phrase of Pi network wallet. So here is click on unlock with passphrase. Now you can see that 100 Pi is given to you as a testnet. So click on the continue option here. Now you can see that it is perfectly working. So simply I will go back. Now again go back to the Pi window. Here you can see that the Pi wallet is successfully created. So click on start and confirm your Pi wallet, and click on confirm your wallet. Now you can see that the Pi wallet is successfully confirmed. Here as you can see commit to lookup configuration. Click on the start option. Again click on commit. Now commit lookup. Now you can see that lookup settings updated. So again cancel this, go back, and you can see guys that the mainnet some features are updated and completed successfully. And the next thing is you can see submit your KYC application or verification. So it is still on pending, having some issues. So I will provide you the video also for this, how you can complete your KYC verification. So guys, it was about how to complete the mainnet checklist verification. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.